Here's some relief for you. This is your dream. This body is not you. This mind is not you. This is your dream. And all the things you're experiencing are the dream. You're beyond it. You're in it only as an experiencer. And no matter how crazy the dream gets, and how many things are going on around you, it's not you. And this knowing, if you were to take this knowing with you throughout the entire day, you would carry enlightenment with you throughout the entire day. You would feel the real you experiencing the dream throughout the entire day. You would become so still within yourself that nothing could move you outside of your center. It's the dream. It's a beautiful dream. And when you leave the body, you simply wake up from a dream into another dream. And all these layers and dimensions are just layers of the dream. Peace, stillness, beauty, bliss. This is your playful nature. This is the dream.